So you come in the front door and you go to the right. This is a really good sized room. Scoot way back. Goes into the kitchen. Back over by the front door. We have the garage door. The steps upstairs to Katie and Mary. Oh, hi. Hi. And you go in from the front door. There's a bathroom. It's pretty cute. There's a little closet. And you come in. Straight all the way back is the backyard. Once again, there's the front door. Straight back is the backyard. Here's the living room, or wherever you want it to be, or the fireplace. Outlets. Has a bulkhead that goes around. Here's the window. The window to the wall. Into the kitchen, and there's where we just came from. So once you come into the kitchen, you have a lot of counter space. You open these blinds. Going back up out of the kitchen. There's the cabinets. One cabinets, dishwasher. Big sink in the corner. Your oven. Microwave. The neighbor's house a ways over there. Kitchen. Looks into the room we were in earlier when you come into the front door to the right. Another nice cabinet area. Your pantry. So, that's the first floor. Now we're going to venture upstairs. And that's the front door with the big window and a tiny chandelier looking thing. Now we're going upstairs. Obviously there's some homeless people living here.
Hi. Hi.
And you go to the left. It's a good sized room. These are all pretty good sized rooms. Come in. Have a lot of room. This has a smaller closet.
But a bigger window.
But a pretty good sized window with nice view. Neighbor's house is ways over there still. Then we're leaving that room. Once again, we came up these stairs and turned left. If you come up the stairs and turn right, you go straight. There's a little wall right here, a little playroom type area, something small, like a linen closet. And if you come up the stairs and go, it's probably the master bedroom of Marion, I think. Katie seems to like it. Looks like there's dogs on the wall. Also little children. And you come in the corner of your room. There's a pretty good sized closet. Probably good enough for cat's clothes. Yeah. Then here's the master bathroom. The tub and stuff. So then we'll leave the master bathroom and bedroom. Once again, there's the stairs. There's the first bedroom, the master bedroom, linen closet. Here's the bathroom for the girls. It's awesomely just decorated. I recommend you just leave it because it looks so nice. Is it me or is Katie in every room? Here's the washer and dryer area. There we'll go. Don't forget to bring those. And here is another bedroom. This one's a little smaller, but has a bigger closet. I think this one will probably be good for Caroline, but let them decide for sure. So, yeah, hi. So that is pretty much your house and on the inside, and then I will go downstairs real quick and show a tape of the garage, and we'll be done. It does have an ADT alarm system, but it's not hooked up. So when you come into the garage, it's garage door, some snow shovels I left here, I guess. It's good size. Has the water softener and water heaters in the garage. It's 2 trash cans. Obviously, I already have a trash can service or whatever, or trash service here. So I'd say this is a 20 by 20 garage, or maybe a little deeper, but pretty close. I'll go over here and show you. Has some shelving in the back. Careful, Katie. It's a pretty new furnace, I think they said. Let's see. Decent little water softener. And it's all, doesn't look too bad. So that is your house in a nutshell. These will be staying out the next year, suckers. Just kidding, of course. But yeah, that's it, and hope the video is pretty informative and helps you guys out. Thanks, bye.